Follow the camera to see the millet peppers. Red fluttering. Here are beans. It has not been bleached. On this side are our cyan peppers. What about the beans here? It's different again. Some are long and some are short. But it was blanched. It blanched for 2 minutes. Then immediately soak in cold water. It has not been blanched here. There seem to be also called tribute dishes. This can't be cut thin. If it is cut thin, it will look like paper after dry. So let's take a look at this potato chip again. With this potato chip, it has been blanched. The normal process is to blanch the potato chip. And then this one is unblanched. You see it's oxidized. I just cut it and it oxidized. Here is a bitter gold. Also called cold melon. This is the cold melon almond. So let's look at the edible fungi again. Then we can see that there are many kinds of drying we can do, including our machine. What can it dry? Chinese herbal medicines, fruits like mangoes, bananas, plantains. Chinese herbal medicines such as Castrodia elata, aspartame, and five-finger peaches will do like this vegetable. So there's no good vegetables that we were talking about. It's spice-based, and our edible fungi are all within the drying range of this machine. Then I loaded this machine at 300 catties to 300 catties. The average power consumption is about 3 to 4 kilowatt hours. Then this standard is based on the test data when the ambient temperature is around 20 degrees. Then welcome to following day. Welcome to Pioneer P60. We began to dry. We have now packed most of the materials in. Last plate of chili left. We are full. A pot of 300 or 400 copies. I spent more than 800 yuan today to buy material to air dry. This spice mushroom. Then let's put it in a furnace together. It doesn't matter what it tastes like. Just look at the condition and shrink its dryness. We will provide the results tomorrow. Then this one is full of some edible fungi. You can pull the camera to take a look. You can take it and take a look now. Our edible fungi, right? We put it all up. Potato chips, right? Potato chips are little iron beans. This is a whole bean that has been ironed. These unburnt beans, the potato chips and bitter gourd have been put in. Then at this time, let's look at drying. Be sure to close the door when drying. We design it safely. People can't get in after filling up, but it's safe if you don't put it full. Just a reminder. Then let's take a look at this process setting. What about our machine? It has a process setting. Our control panel. You can control temperature and humidity. You can control the drying time. So what we're setting now is 13 hours. Let's take a look. We use 70 degrees in the first distance. We just tested the machine. Let's change it. Our vegetables cannot be hot in the early state because the temperature rises. The steam comes out very quickly after the water vapor comes out very quickly. It will definitely be prone to insufficient moisture drainage. It's stuffy. So we need to lower the temperature in the early stage. Let the material come out of the water more slowly. Then the water vapor inside is discharged in time. It won't be boring. Then your goods will not be black and yellow. Then we can all complete this setting here. We're now set for 13 hours. We are 40 degrees from the first district. Keep slowly rising to 65 degrees. Let's finish by drying this vegetable as well. Not too hot. It's too hot. Our vegetables is too dry. Or a material lost to its hold. These will have a greater impact. So let's turn the machine on now. So let's take a look at our machine. Pioneer 5D lighting. Movable air dryer. Phonogram. Every man can move. Ha ha ha! Welcome to Follow Me. We will give the results tomorrow and then follow me. Goodbye. I have seen this kind. What about this black spot? Just put it around. Potatoes are good and bad. Like this. This potato. Why are these potato chips baked like this? This should not have been blanched. Those normal potato chips have to be blanched. If it is not blanched, this is the effect when you bake it. It has an aesthetic and effect. Like scalding. This one, take a look at the blanched one. One effect of the baked potato chips that have been blanched is golden yellow. So, with a different process, we bake out differently this piece of mushroom. Shiitake mushrooms are all dry roasted. For the shiitake mushroom, we can see I bought the cheaper shiitake mushrooms 5%, 5 or 61%. The shiitake mushroom has dried through. It looks okay. It just dries more evenly. Friends, and take a look at our dried beans. Beans, this has never been challenged. New roast, raw and crispy. And then let's take a look again. There's a ring, there's a blanch. This color is different. This one has been scalded. It was a dark green one, scalded. This one is bright green. So once the beans are dried, its pre-treatment process is different. It dries out differently. And in this case, you have beans. Look at your different crops like this. It takes out in 50.